Hello guys, how are you? Today we discuss about the get data of employees in Xampp database. Xampp database basically is localhost database, not global. I have a project that is complaint management system. In complaint management system, I need of employees where we add employees into spinner. I get employees from these using PHP and add them into spinner, then select the employees. It is for further. Today we discuss about the PHP commands of getting the details of employees and another PHP file we discuss further. So start, open the notepad plus. New file. Here we write our PHP commands. First of all, PHP $con equal to MySQLi connect localhost, root is username and password is null, and my database name is complaint, so write here complaint. Okay, or die if connection is not enabled. If connection is enabled, then we'll show message of unable to connect. Okay, this is a same. Okay, now save the file in C drive, Xampp folder, and htdocs and other PHP files are here, so I name it employees.php. Okay, this is safe. Next condition is if MySQLi connect error $con, then we show the message. Here is another bracket. The message is echo failed to connect. Okay, bracket one. $query, we use query, MySQLi query. Here is our query. First argument is connection and second is select static from sign up where login status equal to, now check, select static from sign up where login status is equal to employee. Okay, okay. Next, if query $query, then while $row equal to my SQLi fetch array, and in array pass the argument of query. Okay, and here $flag array is equal to $row. Okay, then print JSON encode $flag, then print the flag array, and at last MySQLi connect close, then connection. Here is some problem. Problem is that this is the problem. Okay, now check the query. We write here localhost /employee.php. So our employees data is found. 0 to customer ID, employees customer name, employee name is equal to employee@gmail.com, and here is employee@gmail.com. Mobile number, here is mobile number.